Good day to you, my trading friends. It is Wednesday, February 24th, 2021, and your cherry bomb trade is in for today. We're staring at an iron condor today. So if you'd like being neutral, I have modified this trade slightly based off of the trade that we got from Tasty Trade, just so slightly. So if you stick around, we're going to take a look at putting this into our portfolio. But we'll just do this trade overview real fast. We're looking at an IV rank of, I'm over here, by the way. Normally I'm on the right side of the screen, but I'm pointing over there is the IV rank in the top right corner is 25. Baba is very liquid, right, with a liquidity rank of 4 out of 4 if you look at those drops. So we're going to get pretty neutral today. So I want to try to center this out a little bit. The one that we get is slightly, I think it was bullish, but we'll take a look and hop on in to Thinkorswim, and we're happy to have you. By the way, my name is Neil. I'm down here in the corner, and this is Option Theory. Thank you so much for joining us. Stick around to the end. We're going to explain how you can join us if you'd like, so that you can put these trades on in your portfolio as well too. But for those of my subscribers already, I don't want to waste your time. Let's get cracking. So on the charts here, we can see that Baba has been in the past year down and up and down and up, and definitely some whipsaw action. You'd think though their IV rank would be a little higher, but we are in this case looking to sell some premium because there's enough implied volatility according to the email that we received. I'm willing to try it. Are you? All right. So we're, by the way, inside of our paper money or simulated trading here in Thinkorswim. So let's go over to this Analyze tab. Let's go to Add Simulated Trade here. And we're going to be in the April weeklies, April 1st weeklies, which as of today, the 24th of February, 2021, we have 36 days to expiration. So what we'll do here is we'll take a look at the strikes we're selling. On the put side, we'd be selling the 225 and buying the 220. And according to the email, we would be then on the call side selling the 272.50 and then buying the 277.50. Now, my modification to this one is that instead of doing the 50-cent strike ones, we move this up to, what do I have here? 275 is what we would sell, and the 280 is what we would buy. So let's take a look at the this trade, which is a slight modification. I moved our call strikes up by $2.50. So now that we know this trade, let's take a look at the probabilities for this. I've got the price slices already set to break even at expiration. I've got my calendar up here set to the same date that you see here, 4/2, April 2nd. So once you've got that, you can get your price slices set to where the turquoise line crosses the x-axis or the break even point. And we're looking at a 57.7% probability of kicking the football between my two goalposts. All right. So at expiration, right? Of course, this is the today line. Okay, so we'd love to see when we sell time is where we tend to make our money in this, or a drop in volatility, or both, right? That would be great. So there is this particular trade. Let's modify it back to the way it was, which was we would be on the calls selling the 272.50 and buying the 277.50. So basically the same credit with lower probabilities, right? So instead of a 57, let's go to, let's see what that would be, 55.7. So 2% difference. Hey, percents count. So I'm going to go and set these back. Notice the credit of 174. I'm going to do this now back the way it was. Oh, now it's giving me a $1.50. Did I mess that up? 275 was it supposed to be? 280? There it is. Yeah, there it is. Okay. 57.7. I messed that up a little bit. Okay, so there we are. There's our iron condor. I'm cool with this trade. I like this trade. I wonder which one will you pick? The one that comes straight from the email, or the one that is my modification? I'd love to hear from you in the comments. I know it's not likely. I know they tell us as YouTube creators not to expect too much in the world of comments. I do appreciate them when I get them. So thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to answer a question I pose or to ask a question. All right. So I want to right click this trade, choose confirm and send. And we'll take a look here. We could make the $1.74 that we would be selling and like in insurance, right? Because essentially we're selling insurance to the upside and to the downside. We can't go wrong on both sides, but we are at risk for $326, right? That's the we've reinsured ourselves. After a certain point, we cap our losses, and that's cool. It's defined risk. Right? I mean, hey, a lot of people that are just getting into this didn't even know that until recently, which is pretty cool. All right, I'm going to go over here and hit send. That's going to put that into my working orders. Over here in the monitor tab, you'll see that I have that there. I'm thinking about closing Netflix. It's been losing for me, but it's still a winner right now. And before I think it's going to go, hey, there's some green on the screen over here, right? So I think SPY and Netflix are potential manage these guys, close them with any amount of profit today, because I don't think that they're going to work out in the long run. So do you have these positions on, SPY and Netflix? Did you put these cherry bombs on with me? I wonder. And so at that point, I give my subscribers a thumbs up. If you think I've earned a thumbs up, would you hit one as well? If you have not yet subscribed, stick around for a moment. I'll tell you what we do here. What we do here is we take trades that we get from Tasty Trade. They send them to us in emails. You can get those emails too. Down in the description below, you'll find a bit.ly link. It'll take you over to the email sign up page where they have a whole bunch of email lists that you can sign up for. The one that we use is the Cherry Bomb one. So go ahead and sign up for that, or all of them if you'd like, right? They don't send you any spam. You'll get 4 trade ideas a week, and we put these into a simulated trading portfolio. This is great if you're new. This is great if you're experienced, because it's an opportunity it's a playground. It's a sandbox. It is an area where you can take the fear out of trading. I guess this is training too, right? So then when you want to step into trading with your real dollars that you worked so hard to earn, right, that you'll know what to expect. All right. So thank you so much for taking your time here. If you haven't yet subscribed, I'll be here. I'm going to be doing what we do. This is good stuff, good times for me. I've been doing this for over a year now, and I would love it if someday you do join us by hitting that subscribe button and ringing the bell, because remember, options trades involve time. So you want to get these trades on when we get them on. All right, everybody. Thank you so much for watching this far into my videos. It does help. I will see you in tomorrow, the Thursday Cherry Bomb. Until then, happy trading.